Hey guys, welcome to the Helpful Homeowner. Today we'll be looking at the Ikea Trones shoe storage system. I'm sure you'll agree that storage space is at a premium in the home. So if you're in a small flat or house like ourselves, these may be ideal for solving your storage needs. As you can see, space in our hallway was tight, so we needed a compact solution. What we like about the Ikea Trones is it's wall fitted, which means you save on that valuable floor space. Much tidier and safer than constantly tripping over your shoes. What we like about the Ikea Trones is it's made of a durable, robust plastic, and that makes it much stronger than similar MDF products out there on the market. The units are modular, so get creative in how you want to arrange them. We've left a space open in the middle there for letters and keys. Drawers are removable for cleaning, and as you can see, you can fit quite a few shoes in there. I've also seen people use them in the garage, kitchen and bedroom for other storage purposes. As for installing these, they're pretty easy. Just drill and slot in place. Make sure you use the right fixtures and fittings for your wall type. Ikea makes them in black and white. I've also seen them released in yellow and red at times. Ikea Trones is, it's a good system. They're affordable too. So if you're interested, follow the Ikea link in the description below to find out more. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe, as that goes towards helping the channel. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.